Guys, working on solar. I just finished putting my on-off switch to my panels in the positive line, and I am ready to fire everything up, or put it together and then fire it up. It's getting there. This is coming from the solar panels we installed yesterday, or the day before. It has the adapters, and this is going to attach to these guys, which are going to go to this, and then come out and go to this, and then this will come out and go to that guy. No, he's not the good one. I think later, if this works out, I'll invest in a really good, what are they, pure sign or something? I forget what they're called, but invest in something better than this one. This one was expensive, but not $90, I think. On the fence about where to mount things. This guy is getting mounted up here. I don't know if you guys can see much of what I'm doing, but it's going to mount right here where I can just reach over and turn it off should I need to. I'm going to Velcro the back of it. I've got some industrial strength Velcro that I cut and put with it, but here it is. But for right now, I just need to get this guy parked where he needs to be. On. 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 Oh. We're doing it. It actually feels pretty good. I still have on my driving glass. Oh no, these are those big four something. See how I look like bubbles? I look like bubbles right now with these big old glasses on. I'm excited. Very excited. Got it done. It's not pretty, but it's in there. It's zip tied to a $6 Walmart crate. All that money is in a $6 crate. That's broke. That I broke it. Thousands of dollars worth of equipment. It's in a busted up Walmart crate. I have some of these tubs, but sorry, I just made everybody vomit. But I really wanted those batteries. I like this crate because of all the holes in it. Like, it's got airflow. The batteries can stay cool. They're still pushed tight together. I read somewhere that was a good thing to keep them, you know, even strap them together to keep them tight together. But they're pretty tight in there, tight enough it cracked the case. But they're pushed together, and there's plenty of holes for airflow. And we just hung our paraphernalia on the side. It's all the way back there. And I'm gonna do a little shelf right here in this section. Be a perfect place for me to keep like all those extra washers and screws, and I've got all this electrical stuff in the floor I gotta find a home for. It wasn't a box packed way up under there, but I don't want to move these out every time I need something, so we're not gonna put anything back up in there unless it's, I don't know, something we absolutely don't need, unless it's an emergency. If my tire jack would fit back there, that would be perfect. No, it won't. It's too tall. It's taller than this space here. We're running off our battery. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Alright, I'm gonna go rest. I got all this mess to put up tomorrow. We're in business. So, yeah. Thank you guys for hanging out and keeping up with all this craziness. And come here. Come on. And then we got Miss Thing. Ow. Look right here. Look up. How come you never look up? Oh, now you look up. She's like, I minded you. Hey, Miss P, huh? Look at Miss P. Crazy girl. Look up here. So, thank you guys for hanging out with us and keeping up with what we're trying to do. Solar's in. So, I'm going to test it in the next few days. I got to repack the van. I've got stuff sitting everywhere. And the main thing I want to do tonight is go soak in a hot tub and just relax today, because we're done. A couple little things that I'll do, but I'm sure I'll be tweaking it for years to come, so I'm not too worried about it. But Miss P and I are going to put a sticky on that guy so he don't fall and pull no wires out, and just relax. Oh, Missy. Oh, there's a shadow on you. There's a shadow on you, Miss P. You're spoiled, huh? Are you spoiled? Just a little bit. Alright guys, I don't know what all the plans are, but you can bet we're not only doing things, but we're now going to be doing big things. I'm very excited. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.